Hey guys, this is Sanad here from DIY King. Well, most of the times working on DIY projects, I sometimes needs to drill a straight hole. The task seems to be quite a lot difficult by using a hand drill, so I needed a drill press. Well, instead of just spending thousands and thousands of rupees on getting one, I decided to build myself a drill press by using some of the commonly available materials such as a bunch of MDF sheets, some aluminum tubing, and a 12 volt DC motor. So have a look at this video in which I'm going to show you how portable and useful this little drill press is, and later on I'm going to show you how you can build one for yourself. All the body parts for this drill press are made out of a 7 mm thick MDF sheet that you can see over here. So let's have a look at these parts that I've cut down from this sheet. So first of all, we are going to build the base for the drill press that constitutes of a large piece of MDF and some small 2 centimeter long UPVC pipe. Now here I'm using a pair of aluminum tubes measuring 16.5 inch long, and these are going to act as a beam for our drill press. So let's power this drill press, we are going to use a 12 volt DC motor. First of all, we are going to mount this motor on the moving platform that we have made for the drill press. Since MDF absorbs a lot of moisture, so I'm going to paint all these wooden parts using a matte black finish. Now as we have painted all the wooden parts, first of all we are going to mount the motor on this moving platform, and we are also going to use this 6 mm drilling chuck.
Bit by bit, creative imagination began with a new art form. Makes me feel I belong to something.
So guys, I hope you like this video and perhaps you might like some of my others. So don't forget to check these videos as well, and for more upcoming projects, do subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the link just given over here. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon in the next one.